Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tools and Machines. Today, we are going to look at an important woodworking tool called the wood router machine. This machine is commonly used in carpentry workshops and furniture factories for cutting, shaping, and designing wooden materials. A wood router machine is a powerful electric tool that uses a sharp, rotating cutter called a router bit. This bit spins at a very high speed and removes wood from the surface. Because of its fast rotation and precision, the router can create clean cuts and smooth finishes. One of the most common jobs of a wood router machine is making grooves in wood. These grooves are often used to join pieces of wood together when building cabinets, doors, and furniture frames. The router makes these grooves straight and accurate. Another important job of this machine is trimming and shaping the edges of wooden boards. By using different router bits, the edges can be rounded, curved, or decorated. This makes wooden furniture look more professional and attractive. Wood routers are also widely used for creative woodworking. Skilled workers use them to carve decorative patterns, shapes, and designs on wooden surfaces. This technique is often used for doors, panels, and decorative furniture. There are several types of wood router machines available. The most popular ones are the fixed base router and the plunge router. The fixed base router keeps the cutting depth fixed, while the plunge router allows the cutting bit to move up and down during operation. Because the router bit spins at very high speed, safety is very important. Workers should always wear safety glasses and keep their hands away from the rotating bit. It is